Happy holidays to everybody, and hope everyone's enjoying the holiday season. The Fed eased again yesterday, as expected. The Fed indicated one more for 2026 and another one for 2027. More importantly, the Fed will be buying $40 billion a month of short-term treasuries. And the reason they're doing this is to help bring short-term rates down, help bring short-term rates lower, and continue to improve the yield curve. We've been talking a lot about the yield curve and how important that is. Just one of the most important reasons a yield curve is so important to have a normalized yield curve is it allows the banks to loan more money. Banks borrow at the short end, and in a normalized yield curve, the short end is lower. They borrow the cost to borrow that money is lower, and then they turn around and lend that money with a margin. Okay, and when shorter term rates are higher, the banks are borrowing the money at a higher rate, and they're squeezed and they can't make money or enough money to take the credit risk in order to make loans. So the attention now is going to turn to Fed Chairman Powell. His term ends in May of 2026, so just a few months away. And we expect a big opposition on a new Trump nominee. So there'll be a lot of headlines on that. So expect that. Powell does stay, Fed Chairman Powell does stay on the Board of Governors for 2 more years. So he'll be voting on rate policy. Going into 2026, we have oil at $57 a barrel. Hasn't been there since Trump's first term. Okay, easing regulations, tame inflation, and a yield curve that looks a heck of a lot better than it did last year at this time. Valuations are high. That's going to be a headwind for stocks. Valuations are high, and earnings forecasts are going to be paramount to see how we do for 2026. Fourth quarter earnings start in just about a month. It's already here. So we'll see how the last couple weeks here end in the year, and then we'll point the sales for 26. And appreciate all of you. We have our client appreciation event that we rescheduled from November from the rain. We have that coming up on January 31st, and would love to see you all there. So hope everyone is enjoying the holiday season. Have a happy Hanukkah and a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And we'll do another update next week, but wanted to get out to everyone. So have a great day, and we'll see you next week.